morning. My name is RJ Hernandez. I will be reporting the part 1, Project Background. First, situation, problem, opportunity. Lahat ng mga estudyante ngayon ay napatigil sa pagpasok sa school. Kaya may ibang mga estudyante na di alam ang pasikat-sikat sa school. Ngayon, paunti-unti na bumabalik sa normal ang mga school. Kaya mock up ang aming naisip na gawin. Second, purpose. Ang purpose ng app namin is mag-guide ng mga estudyante ng LSPU-SPC. Ang app namin ay limited lang sa LSPU-SPC. Third, objective. Ang objective namin is to develop a LSPU-30s app na map application na limited lang sa LSPU-SPC. Magagather din ng information about sa landscape ng LSPU-SPC para mas matukoy ang bawat lugar. Maglalagay din ng 3 varieties ng view ng map, search bar, voice command, audio guide, at pakita ang pinakamabilis na daan. At lastly, methods. Dito aalamin namin ang buong LSPU-SPC, tapos magagather kami ng information and gagamit ng iterative design.
Hello everyone, I'm Jimuel Salcedo and I will be presenting the flowchart of our proposed system. This terminator over here at the top indicates the start or beginning of the system. Once it gets started, it will then go through this decision symbol to test the proposition GPS is on. When the proposition turns out to be false or when GPS is off, the system will accordingly go to the directed arrow with no or false label. Then the process of displaying an error prompting the user to open GPS will be triggered. After that, it will go back again onto the evaluation phase of the GPS status. The arrow will keep on popping up until GPS is turned on. When the GPS is already on, the algorithm will continue and go to the process of showing up the user interface or homepage of the system, where the question "where do we want to go" can be seen, together with the search bar as well as a list of recommended location and also hamburger menu for more options and general settings. Consecutively, we use data symbol to indicate that we are collecting an input from the user. The input is the target location of the user, which can be coming from either the search bar or clickable recommended locations. Now that we get a hold of the input, it will then be evaluated whether it will match to any data in the database. Just like before, if it doesn't find a match or the proposition turns out to be false, error message will be displayed telling the user that location can be found and suggest to retry another location. After that, the system will proceed again to the evaluation phase. Now I think you get the idea. While the proposition is false, it will go through a loop of showing the error message. On the other hand, when input finds a match, it will immediately execute the discrete process of identifying the shortest route from current location to target location. To give a brief idea, the algorithm is based upon the Dijkstra shortest route algorithm. Subsequently, an if-as-if decision structure will be executed for the visualization function. So first, the system will test whether the default view is selected. If it is, then a default view of the map will be generated, and the flowchart will come to its end. Otherwise, it will move on to check the next proposition below it. If that button is selected, then map view associated with it will be generated and the flowchart ends. The process will just be repeated for the last proposition when the previous one is false.
Good day everyone, my name is Jaus Corosa and I will be presenting the improved version of our digital prototype. So this is the main page of the app. The Go button is selected by default, and when you click the Explore button, it will display an overview of the LSPU-SPC map with icons representing the user's current position. If we press this button, we can change the type of the map. If you select the terrain, the map view will change accordingly, and the same goes for the bird's eye view. Now let us return to the main screen. For example, if you decide to head to the university hostel, that will display the shortest route that is highlighted. But first, let me show you the hamburger button before we press the start button. When you click the hamburger button, the menu will appear. Once you click the settings, you will see that the voice assistance is already on, which the example will be shown later. We can enable the dark mode as well for a better experience. And if we want to change the different language, you can select here. So let's click the start button.
Head west, then turn right, then turn left.
So the app will guide you in which direction to go. Lastly, when you click this button and you are at your desired location, this congratulations message will show up. So that's all. Thank you for watching.